Hello guys and welcome to Btekt. And today's video is about the Ringke Fusion X cases. I got sent a couple of these a little while ago, but I haven't got around to making a video yet about them. I did mention them briefly in my Mate 20 Pro versus GH5 comparison, but I really do like these cases, so I wanted to do a specific video for it. So what's good about the Ringke cases is that they're sold in this environmentally friendly packaging with minimal usage of the Earth's resources, apparently. Not sure how environmentally friendly the product itself is, but from my experience with these cases, they're very well made and high quality. So in theory at least, they should last you a long time. Or at least let's hope, last you the lifetime of the phone. This is the clear Fusion X case for the Google Pixel 3 XL. One of my favourite smartphones at the moment, and this clear case should show off that beautiful back panel nicely. It comes protected with this plastic film, which is really quite tricky to get off. But once you get the case on the phone, I think it looks really good. There's a big square cutout down by the USB Type-C port, so it should easily be able to take any kind of charger you might have without you having to remove the case. The back of the case has these ridges on the corners to keep the back of the case off surfaces so it doesn't get scratched up. There's a good 1.5mm ridge around the edge of the screen for protection, which is good, but you might want to invest in a screen protector as well. I've been using these cases for well over a month now, and I'm really happy with them, especially the one for the Pixel. It's a very hard wearing plastic, and so far it's pristine, so no marks or scratches on it at all. The same can't be said for the Mate 20 Pro case. The clear plastic on the back is not the same stuff as the Pixel case, and I found the clear bits to get scuffed quite easily. But having said that, I love the way it looks, and those ridges on the front actually make it easier for navigating. It gives your thumb a point of reference for when you're swiping in from the sides of the screen, as you need to do with the Mate 20 Pro, but it can be slightly tricky on the Pro because of the curved edges. And that's it really. I've not done a case review before, so I hope you enjoyed it. But before I go, I just want to say a big thank you to Direct Mobiles. They have over 24 years of award-winning customer service, and it's just a great place to go if you're not sure about what phone you might want next. They now have comparison tools to help you get the best deal on your handset. So check in the video description below for a link to their deals, or search directmobiles.co.uk. Cheers guys, I've got some new and interesting stuff coming up, so I hope that you will hit that subscribe button, double tap the notification bell and smash the like button for me. I'm David and this is Btekt.